Magandang umaga. We are going to take some water, some boiling water, and we're going to bring it outside to see if it freezes in mid-air because it's pretty cold this morning, about minus 12 Fahrenheit, which is about minus 24 Celsius. So we are going to do that test and see what happens.
Yep.
Okay, now we're outside. Like I said, it is minus 12 Fahrenheit, minus 24 Celsius. It's pretty cold. We're going to go try to throw this boiling water in the air and see if it freezes mid-air. It'll be a good test. It's a nice morning, nice Sunday morning. Right, we're going to try to throw some boiling water. Hello again. We are going to try another experiment. We're going to try to see if we can freeze an egg outside and see how that works. We just threw up some boiling water a little bit ago and it froze in mid-air. It was pretty cool. But now it's only minus 7 degrees outside Fahrenheit, I think minus 22 Celsius. So we're not sure if it's cold enough to freeze an egg, but we're going to try it. Okay. Your standard chicken egg. Okay, ready?
Oh, yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, here we are outside. Here's our egg. Again, 7 below Fahrenheit, 22 below Celsius. We're gonna see if an egg will freeze out here. It won't freeze instantly, but it might take a little while for breakfast today. We're gonna give it a shot. Okay, doesn't that look delicious? We are going to let that cook for a while, and we'll check it in a little while. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now we put an egg out here a little while ago. It was 7 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, 22 Celsius. It usually has to be colder than that to freeze an egg, but we were going to test it and see. Right now it's maybe 2 below Fahrenheit, so it's getting a little warmer out here. So we're going to see if it works. It's a no-stick pan. Okay, we finally got it off of that tray. And you can see, here's our frozen egg. Does it look delicious?
This looks like sunny side up.
Sunny side up.